Hi, welcome to my channel. I wanted to take time. I've been kind of putting this off and I apologize. So doing a demo on this last build, if there's some of you that have been waiting for it. And wanted to also acknowledge the fact that I just passed 500 subscribers. To me, that is huge, and I really appreciate every single subscriber that's done that. And so thank you. And so I wanted to do a demo on this guitar here, on this Strat build. I did have some issues with it. I still have an issue with the humbucker, and it doesn't sound quite exact as I want it to, but here we go. I love the sustain of a mahogany neck with a rosewood fretboard. For some reason, like this first build I did here is that exact combination, and it really gives it just really gives a good sustain, unlike anything I've ever seen, really. Some guitars you can't get a real good pop out of. This one you can. Harmonic, I should say. Goes, play some clean. It's really quiet. Perfectly quiet, honestly. I tried.